What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
Fire team, report to deck 7, forward aft.
Hustle. 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 What up, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. We back up in Mark's Motorsports again. You know what I'm saying? Now we on the side. They got the, this right here. Y'all see this right here? The Zero. Ooh, the Zero FX, clean, right? Yeah, they're doing big things over here at Mark's. They got the Triumph. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna come here and get a Triumph years ago. And then, you know what I'm saying? For some reason I didn't. This right here, y'all see this Triumph? Woo! You know what I'm saying? Y'all wanna see more of this Triumph? Let me know in the comments. And we'll get on my man Devin over here, and he'll explain some of this stuff because I don't know a lot about these. But look at this right here. This right here, this is like what, 2,500 cc's. Whoo! I know some of you guys are. After you get your Ryker, you guys want to upgrade to something different. Maybe you guys want to Triumph. They got some nice ones here. Yeah, that's clean. Guys, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be doing another unboxing for you guys. What we got today for you is, I don't know yet. Oh, what we got today for you is the comfort seat. I don't got a comfort seat, but I do want one, I think. So, to stop the thinking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open one up and see what it looks like, and you know what I'm saying, the quality of it. We got another Ryker here. So we got Rykers here, so we can compare them to the Rykers and the factory seats, and take a look at what it's like. Comfort seat. We got the comfort seat right here. So y'all know my boy A. He got a comfort seat. He ended up getting a comfort seat. He told me it's worth it, and you know what I'm saying, like. It's my boy, so I ain't hating, but I'm kind of hating because I ain't got one. And on long rides, my butt starts to hurt. So I showed y'all the part number. I know there's a couple of videos already out there about the comfort seat, but it was in the King Jaffe Joe comfort seat video. So, all right, we're gonna open it up, jump off the top. Always nice packaging. Make sure your stuff don't get damaged. Okay. Comfort seat. You seen one, you seen them all, I guess, right? It's like a soot. So I would recommend, if you get a comfort seat, that you get the helmet bag that comes with, because the helmet bag doubles as a cover for the seat. So if it's raining, you can throw it over if you're parking somewhere. All right, so what comes in the box? Instructions. You guys know how to do the instructions? Yes, you do. So now we're going to tell you the website, instructionsbrp.com. All right. So if you guys want a comfort seat, you know where to get it from. Hit my people over at Mark's Motorsports. Give them the part number that I just gave you, and they'll order it up. They'll send you one. No time. Probably the fastest shipping you probably can get around here. Comfort seat, easy. Snaps on and snap off. You already know. Everyone knows how to. Everyone's seen videos of installs of a comfort seat. Pull your old seat off, you snap this one down. You make sure when you put it down, these little clips, they're plastic. So you wanna make sure you line these up. You don't wanna have it off to the side and you slam down on it because you're gonna break one of the clips. And basically once you get this thing on there, I think it's on there for good. Like, I've seen someone take one off, and when they took it off, they just ripped it off and they broke this clip and like this clip on the side. But it's still, like, the two back ones were still good. So they ended up selling it to someone for a good price. Looking at it, we got stapled in the bottom, so we got regular staples like all motorcycle seats are done. Plastic base. Looks like some decent stitching in here. Stitching looks pretty good. Looks clean. Not seeing any messed up stitching. No. Made in Canada too. Made in Canada, you know what I'm saying? You know, they got good stuff over there. So let's take it over to the next to the stock seat. So looking at the stock seat, just holding it up next to it, Obviously, we know all the side stuff's probably gonna look the same because it has to cover all the same amount of stuff. But the back of this one looks like it's a little lower here. This one looks like it's a little higher on the dish part. But when you're riding a while, you can actually feel this pushing on your back a little bit. So maybe this is an improvement on that. The stiffness, yeah, this one's a lot softer. Yeah, that one's a lot softer. I would, I don't know, I don't have a softness tester, but there's definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. So I'm gonna have to get myself one of these and take it on a long ride and let you guys know how it feels. If you're really interested in one of these and you want to know how it feels and would I recommend one, let me down in the comments and I'll have to order one. But if not, I'm gonna take my time to order one. But if you want to know about it, I'll get it for you. All right, guys. So what else we got over here? You know what I'm saying? We gonna stretch this one. We gonna stretch this one. What we gonna do is we gonna throw something else in there for you. What else we got? What else Mark's put over here for us? Let's see. Windshield. Let's check out the windshield, guys. So this isn't the new windshield. This is the original windshield. This is the rear adjustable windshield. Oh, nope. All right, this is the regular windshield. This is the original windshield. They actually have, that's partner number there. They actually have the new windshield coming in order. So what we're gonna do is,
the new one's supposed to be way bigger, right?
yeah, it's 150% bigger. That's what they say. 150%, I don't know bigger, but 150% more wind blockage, that's what they say. So I don't know if that means that much bigger, but so only way we can compare them is we gotta know what the old one looks like, the original looks like, so when they get the new one, we can grab the new one, do another unboxing of that and compare the two, right? So let's do that. All right, so we got in the box, Nice slide out. Got the windshield. Windshield, adjustable. We got the little adjustment right here. That's so you can slide it up and down. Looking at the windshield, it looks like it just snaps onto something. So let's hit this here. Other hardware we got in the box. Okay, we got a little front plate. Goes around the bottom there. It's gonna be, I think something like that. Something like that on the bottom, maybe. I don't know. And we have some screws. All right, so in the box, we got the instructions, instructionsbrp.com. So you go there, you put in the part number, you're gonna get the instruction to put this on. But I'm gonna tell you that I know how to put it on. So what you do is, this thing here is gonna go through here, and we can walk over to the bike and take a look at it. All right, so if you're looking at your front gauge here, you're gonna see 4 holes in the sides here, and you go 4 holes in the side here. So this thing is gonna screw, 4 screws that came are gonna screw right through there. But you're gonna screw both of these together like so. So you're gonna line it up here, you're gonna put it on there, and you're gonna stick your screws through. So what I did when I did it was the bottom screw, I was able to get through the bottom of here. And when I did the top screw, I did it through the top of here. I actually put one of these on Smitty's bike, so right through that hole and to get it in there. I loosened this up, adjusted the windshield all the way up so I can give myself more space. One through there and one through there. If you guys need me to do an install video on one of these, I probably can get Marks to let me use one and install it for you guys. And then after they get the new windshield, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride one with a factory windshield, old windshield, and then we're gonna ride one with the upgraded windshield. And don't tell Marks, but the highway's right there, so we're gonna do a highway run. Shh. But they'll probably see the video, so it's all good. So, a lot of people ask me all the time, do I recommend a windshield? Do I recommend a windshield? Do I recommend a windshield? And you know, I can't recommend it, and I can't say I don't recommend it because I haven't rode with one, you know what I'm saying? I haven't rode with one. Smitty had one of these ones, and he said it doesn't do nothing. That's what he told me.
He hasn't ridden the bike without one.
But he hasn't ridden the bike without one, exactly. And like I have the little gauge spoiler on my bike, and people ask me, does that do anything for the wind? Which I haven't ridden one without one, but I would probably say no. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so small. It does get bugs. It is a bug. It catches some bugs, so that's probably deflecting a little bit of the bugs from, instead of them going right into the back of my gauge cluster. I got that little thing blocking it, which that's a little plus. But until I ride one without it, I won't be able to know. My brother says he's gonna get a Ryker. He said he's gonna get him a windshield, so he old, so you know what I'm saying? He can't be having all that wind blowing on him, pushing him side to side. All right, guys, so just now what you just seen, you saw the comfort seat, you saw the windshield. Yo, Marks is hooking me up with all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? They like, yo, what do you want to see? You know what I'm saying? They like, we can get anything you want to get, but I'm like, because you know, Can Am has so much stuff, so I don't want to just ask what I want to see. I want to know what y'all guys want to see. If you guys let me know down in the comments what Can Am OEM part you guys want to see, I'll get that. I'll talk to Marks and have them order that stuff up. It's over here so we can do an unboxing. The stuff that you guys like, you guys let me know down in the comments if you want to see an install of those things, and I'll do an install video. All the 2021 parts are already on order. I already gave them a list for all those parts. The scoops for the air intake, because I know you guys want to know more about those. The radiator protector, I want to know more about that. The underneath the bike, the sensor skid plate, the new skid plate that's coming out, I need to know about that. What else they have? Matter of fact, let's take a look at this 2021 right here before we end this video real quick. One of the new things to the 2021, the gas cap, right? So 2021, we got the gas cap. That's what I'm seeing new for 2021. And I think these marks right here, on the front, those little markings on the front, I think that's new. Yeah. Yep. And I think that's about it. So, guys, you guys let me know down in the comments. Make sure you check out marksmotorsports.com. They got a lot of stuff in stock if you're looking for to buy something. If you need to order some parts, make sure you call Marks Motorsports. Get in contact with them, give them the part number, tell them what you need. If you don't know the part number, just tell them what you need. They can look it up and find the parts that you need and get it sent right to you. Make sure you guys hit the website, get yourself some merch. You know what I'm saying? You need a hat, you need a shirt. Let us know what you want. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of stuff coming to the website very soon. I'm trying to see everybody rocking merch. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the wall over there? Let me know if y'all want to know what's on the wall. We'll do a Marks wall video. You know what I'm saying? Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to know in the wall. What I see? I see the auxiliary light, hand warmers. What? Oh, hand warmers? What? Yeah. You guys let me know. All right, so guys, until the next time, peace.